So Divya was admitted here with IVF pregnancy, twin pregnancy, which was a high-risk pregnancy. The couple had conceived after 10 long years of marriage through in vitro fertilization, and the couple was very apprehensive. What next? They already had spent a lot on IVF conception. Then we counseled them before birth that the babies would be born premature and may have all the potential complications of prematurity. So the babies were born with birth weight of around 1000 grams, one male and the other was female.
Obviously, it is very happy moment for any parent to have a boy and a girl as twins. But at the same time, since they were quite preterm, they had to move into the NICU. And since they had been delivered in Max Shalimar Bagh itself, so today I can proudly say that it was a very right decision, because the first day when they moved into ICU, they were quite critical. Their lungs were not developed, and doctors told us that the first 10 to 12 days are quite critical. So at that time, I think for any parent, it is very difficult to leave their children in the hospital and leaving them over the night. But at the same time, we had this satisfaction that they are in the right hands.
So the babies were given total parenteral nutrition in view of feed intolerance in the first week of life. Gradually, the feeds were built and baby were on full feeds by day 7 of life. Both babies were off ventilatory support after the first week of life. Thereafter, they had some intermittent desaturations, which were self-picking. And on and off babies did require ventilatory support, but they came out well. Now they are 2 kgs and 1.9 kgs respectively, with no other complications, long-term complications related to prematurity.
Slowly and gradually, with efforts of all the doctors, they gain weight and they are stable now, and after 59 days they've been discharged today. So we are extremely happy about it, and all the nursing staff, even all the doctors, we are very grateful to them. So because they have helped us a lot and they were taking good care of my babies. So I'm extremely happy about it, and I'm very happy that our decision for getting delivered our babies at Max Hospital Shalimar Bagh was a right choice.
Till now, babies are doing quite well. They have no retinopathy of prematurity, no IVH, no periventricular leukomalacia, and they are growing well.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.